Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to show you fridge magnet. Material required: clay, magnet, brush, acrylic paints. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you.